Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, set parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts and accidental airbag deployment while you work. This job typically takes about 30 minutes per side for an experienced dyer, so plan time and light for the procedure. You will need an H11 replacement bulb, a 10 mm socket, a Phillips screwdriver, and gloves. Also keep a clean cloth to avoid touching the bulb glass, and a small container for bolts and clips to prevent loss. Start by turning the steering wheel away from the side you are working on for better wheel well access, or lift the front end to use a creeper safely. Remove the lower bumper cover fasteners, 2 10 mm bolts and 4 plastic clips, keeping track of their positions. Reach behind the fog light housing, press the tab on the wiring connector, and pull to disconnect. Then unclip or remove the housing if needed. Twist the H11 bulb counterclockwise and pull it straight out from the housing to remove the old bulb. Handle the new H11 replacement bulb by its base or wear gloves so oils do not shorten bulb life. Insert the new H11 bulb without touching the glass, then twist clockwise to lock securely. Reconnect the wiring harness, reattach the lower bumper cover, and torque 10 mm bolts snugly by hand. Do not over-torque plastic clips. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test the fog lights before driving, checking beam aim, brightness, and that no warning lights appear on the dash after installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.